Hi guys!
Welcome to Eliza's Bar. Today we'll be showing you how to create this very nice box for your Father's Day.
Out of coasters from Poundland.
Yeah.
These coasters were reduced to 25p a pack, which means that it cost only 50p plus the hinge that we had left over from another project to make that box. So Eliza grabbed some acrylic pens, and on each of her 6 coasters with the acrylic pens, she drew a scene that reminds her of something that she does with her dad, like going to the park and taking the dog for a walk, playing and watching football and swimming.
And then do that, making a little crowd. And then what I'm going to start doing is blotting colours on.
So it's lots of people's heads. I see.
And then my next part will be create football players. Now we'll leave that dry.
We just glued a hinge to the coasters on the inside, and that made this lovely box.
You could put like your rubbers in there.
You can use it for a desk tidy, or Dad can use it for his keepsakes, things that he wants to keep and remember about Eliza.
Oh. I like love and so I put let's make a team of hopes and dreams.
That's so lovely.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Eliza's Bar. Turn that subscribe button from red to white.
We do lots and lots of Poundland videos, Poundland crafts, DIYs.
And come check out our Fairyland videos.
Yes, they're in the links below.
Bye!
Bye!
Hit that like button in the face. Let's see you put your foot like that.
Hit that like button in the face.